see that? Hey guys, it's Crystal here with A Broke Plant Eater. Welcome back if you're a subscriber, and if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you will always be notified if you hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, your phone or your email will buzz and let you know that you have a new video to watch. Today we are celebrating because our channel has actually grown over 1,000 subscribers. So not only are we celebrating with balloons for reaching over 1,000 subscribers on this channel, we are celebrating by offering a huge giveaway. This is actually super cool and super exciting because I reached out to one of my favorite authors for a cookbook that I'm pretty much obsessed with. Anytime anybody asks me through Instagram or Facebook what my favorite cookbook is, I always mention this cookbook. So not only has she given us permission to make a recipe from this cookbook, she is going to be sending someone a copy of her cookbook through our giveaway. So be sure to stay tuned at the end of this video to learn exactly how you can be a part of the giveaway and how you can enter and how there are multiple entries. So you're definitely going to want to take a look at that part of our video. If you have already asked me, you know exactly that the Colorful Kitchen is my favorite cookbook. It's amazing. Everything in here is amazing. As you can tell from my copy, I've used it quite a bit, and Eileen has actually given us permission to make a recipe from this cookbook for this video. So today we are going to be making the Southwest salad with green cashew ranch dressing. The dressing is amazing. I am so excited to share this with you. I'm going to put the full recipe in the description box below, as well as a whole bunch of other information that you're going to need for the giveaway. But so delicious and yummy. Let's get right into this video. Alright guys, just remember that the full recipe for both the dressing and the salad will be in the description box below. So we are going to be throwing in cashews, non-dairy milk, some lemon juice, some fresh parsley. I didn't have fresh dill, so I substituted the difference for dry dill, as well as some apple cider vinegar, some maple syrup, and onion and garlic powder. Just go ahead and throw in some salt and pepper to taste, and you're going to want to blend that at high speed, whether it's on your smoothie maker or your Vitamix or your Ninja like me, whatever you can do to get that nice and smooth. And I only made half the recipe because I don't need the full recipe in my fridge. So just note that when you're making this yourself, you will have a lot more dressing than I had here. I also ended up throwing in a few spinach leaves and a tablespoon of water because the green color didn't come through as much as I wanted to, and that's probably because I used dried dill. So keep that in mind if you do decide to substitute the dried dill instead, but it's still beautiful. It still tastes amazing even using spinach. Let's move on to our salad. Alright guys, so just remember that I have half this recipe, so if you were to make the full recipe, it would be double this size. So in this bowl, I have some chopped spinach. You don't have to chop your spinach if you don't want to, but that's definitely how we enjoy ours. I also have tricolor quinoa. The recipe calls for quinoa, but we had tricolor quinoa. It's the same thing, and it tastes just as good. We are also going to be throwing in black beans, some chopped cherry tomatoes, well, halved chopped cherry tomatoes, as well as fresh corn that I've cut off the cob from the farmer. And I always like to substitute this whenever something calls for corn, but just be aware that the hair from the husk will kind of happen, and just get as much of that out as you can, as well as some red pepper, red onion, and some avocado. So if you want your avocado to stay beautiful and green and you're going to be making this ahead of time, totally make sure that you toss that avocado in some lime juice and just stir around to combine, and try to keep whatever you can in the bowl. Sometimes spillage happens, and it's okay because we're not all perfect. So once you have combined the salad as much as you want, bringing that quinoa completely through with your spinach, you're going to throw in some crushed up tortilla chips. So I just have regular tortilla chips. You can use blue corn tortilla chips, whatever you want. And the reason I toss them in my salad is because I was kind of a crouton girl growing up, meaning my salad usually just consisted of croutons. So I like to have as much crunch factor in my salad as possible. I will also throw some more on top. Normally I would just throw a huge heaping tablespoon of that green dressing all over, but I wanted to make it look pretty, so it was in that bottle. This salad is amazing, so please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Also, share this video so somebody else has an opportunity to win a cookbook, and don't forget to leave a comment if you want me to do more giveaways. That's it, folks. I hope you see how easy that recipe was. I hope that I, made it clear how delicious and how amazingly fresh and just natural and yummy that dressing is on top of all of those really good ingredients. I mean, you can't get any better than that. And that is why I love this cookbook, because a large majority meaning all of these recipes are super easy. They have ingredients that you've heard of. They have ingredients that you have about probably 75% of the ingredients already in your kitchen, which is always a bonus. It's like when you find a recipe and you have everything in your kitchen, you're just like, anyway, that is why I want to send you guys a copy of this. In order to enter into our giveaway, there are three ways. You can have 1 entry, 2 entries, or 3 entries, so it's totally up to you. The more entries you have, obviously, the greater your chances are going to be. So be a subscriber of this channel. Go ahead and friend us on Instagram at A Broke Plant Eater, as well as following our Facebook page, which is A Broke Plant Eater. Go ahead and click the link down below. They are going to be taking all of the entries. Make sure you put in all of your information so that they know who you are, and all of the things that are linked to your email address will get you a entry into our giveaways. Like I said, there's 3 entries, so it's YouTube, Facebook, our page, A Broke Plant Eater, and Instagram. Thank you so much to Eileen, the author of this cookbook, because I reached out to her and I didn't think, I just basically wanted her permission to film one of her recipes and to offer one of her cookbooks, and I was going to send out a cookbook to any one of the winners, but she has offered to send you out a copy herself through her publisher. So thank you so much, Eileen. Until next time, guys.